Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to auto-block and wipe inactive mobile devices in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight Automation tool. In today's digital landscape, ensuring data security is paramount. With the increasing use of mobile devices in the workplace, it becomes crucial to manage and protect these devices effectively. Mobile devices which do not sync for a long time may put your corporate data in risk. It opens up a security hole for unauthorized access to the corporate data on the original devices. xFanatical Foresight Automation tool is a powerful tool within Google Workspace that can help you automate reporting, blocking and wiping inactive mobile devices with your needs. How to auto-block and wipe inactive mobile devices in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight Automation tool. Creation of the rule. Log into your xFanatical Foresight account with your Google admin account. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the mobile device turned inactive trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. In the Edit Trigger screen, enter the exact number of inactive days after which you wish a mobile device is considered as inactive. 15 days, 30 days, 45 days, 60 days, etc. Click Next. Step 2. In the Select an Action screen, select Get Mobile Device Info Action. In the Edit Actions screen, in the Device ID field, select the Device ID variable from the drop-down. In the User Primary Email field, select the Device User Email variable from the drop-down. Click Add Next Action. Step 3. In the Select an Action screen, select Block Mobile Device Action. In the Edit Actions screen, select the Device ID variable in the Device ID field. Select the Device User Email variable in the User Primary Email option from the drop-down list. Click Add Next Action. Step 4. In the Select an Action screen, select the Wipe Mobile Device Action. In the Edit Actions screen, select the Device ID variable in the Device ID field. Select the Device User Email variable in the User Primary Email field. In the Device Wipe Type option, select Wipe an Account from the device. Click Add Next Action. Step 5. In the Select an Action screen, click the Email action. In the field, enter the email addresses of the administrators who receive the inactive mobile device reports. Specify the subject of the email in the Subject field. Compose an email in the Email Body field. If you need to include dynamic data such as the user's full name, device model, operating system, first sync time or last sync time, click the V icon to insert the available variables. Click Review. Step 6. Enter the rule name, click Create. Triggering of the rule. Once your rule is created, it will automatically trigger if any mobile devices haven't synced for the specified number of days. When this happens, you will receive notifications within the xFanatical Foresight Automation tool immediately. If no devices meet the criteria right away, the system will continue monitoring and will notify you when an event occurs in the future. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.